All right, good morning. Last night it got down to 29 degrees. It didn't get down to 21, but still under 32, 29 still can do some damage. The feel like was 22 degrees, which doesn't really affect plants because they don't put off heat. But anyway, it is bright this morning. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's warmed up to 34, so now it's time to take the covers off on my trees and see how we did. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's take a look. The leaves look okay. We'll see if these little buds will survive. Can't really tell for right now, but they look good. I think they're going to be all right. My Asian pear tree still has the blossoms on some of them, and the little fruit is still there. Doesn't look like they're damaged. All right, and the nectarine peach tree. I got this tree at Home Depot. It's labeled a nectarine, but it actually is growing peaches. You see at Lowe's. The label says nectarine, but I got 2 peaches on it out of it last year. But the little fruit looks like it survived. Okay, let's go back to my blueberry. This blueberry over here looks like it did okay. All the little flower bells are still there. Raspberry, leaves look fine. Okay, I think we did good. Here's the one blueberry that had the box on it. The leaves are just coming out. It hasn't put any flowers out yet. And this one here with the flowers still looks pretty good. Right? Great plants. All my little buds are still looking good. So I think we survived. Which I pretty much figured we would. Just mainly because I got them covered before the sun went down and got to retain some heat inside the covers. And I'll tell you, when I took the covers off, it was warm inside from that sun beating on it. So I think they did okay. Okay, looks like everything is going to be fine. Obviously, we'll find out as things start growing, but man, you know, we've had such warm weather and it's been crazy, and then one night of a hard freeze. I woke up at 2:30 in the morning and just checked the temperature, and it was already down to 30. So anything below 32, you know, your plants are a little in danger. And then it ended up just going down to 29 in the morning when I woke up. And like I said, it's about 9 a.m. right now. It's probably 35 by now, getting these uncovered. So if you're wondering if using fitted sheets, yeah, that worked. And also those those bed bags, those worked really well. And like I said, you know, that weed kill or weed blocker, that the ground that you put on the ground to block the weeds, that stuff worked good on the grapes. The trash can on the blueberries and on the blackberry worked out great. So this weather is just so unpredictable, and now it's supposed to be, I think, 65 today, and then mid to upper 70s all week. So thanks for tuning in, and man, if you're having a hard freeze, get your plants covered.